Hey guys, so y'all can go ahead. I'm at the zoo with my family, and I want to see the I'm gonna do the elephants again. I had recorded for the family first, so now I'm just trying to show y'all what I'm doing. She got fresh lemonade. Let me show y'all. I'm sorry, y'all, but so the elephants, they look like they golden. This should be cold. Is something this way? Okay. Let me see if y'all can see the elephant. Okay. So pretty. That's all I wanted to show y'all, the elephant. Then the zebras that way. And we just got done seeing a bobcat, coyote, lion. Sure. Come on. Oh, go on then. Oh, it's hot, y'all. This zoo never ends. Y'all like my birds?
Don't go in. Lion, come here. I'm gonna get it.
But my camera is about to die, so I'm gonna show y'all what I can show y'all, and then we finna get out of here. Got my new baby, my little one. I got my daughter right there. I ain't finna show y'all my babies. Fresh lemonade stand. Okay. I'ma
No baby, I don't. Thank you for asking.
But yeah, we finna go down here and see what's left. They have like a little train situation going on, but we can't get on the train because we have the stroller with us. Oh, I said, where my phone at? So we finna go through here, and then ooh, that lemonade look good. Then I'll come back and talk to y'all later, because my camera is about to die. So yeah, I just thought about it. I got another battery in the car. So we seen the rhino and hippo. Oh no, we didn't see this one. We seen the elephant. We seen, watch him. And then we seen this one. I don't think we seen the Kawani or whatever it is. They got camel. They got camel rides.
Say seasonal.
Seasonal? Oh, yeah. Oh, that's why we didn't see some of these. But we seen the ostrich. We seen all of these. I don't know if we seen that one. I don't remember seeing that one either. But we seen, oh yeah, the turtles. We seen most of those, y'all. She said, why her crying? Alright, y'all, we about to go. I think we're back at the beginning. And I'll talk to y'all when we get out of here, because I'm hot and thirsty.
That's it. You get some more in the car. Get some more in the car, okay?
Y'all gotta wash your hands too.
Hold my hand.
Luckily we got soap and water in the car. But yeah, we're out of here. We seen everything. We seen the what's it called? The crocodile. Was that a crocodile or alligator? In the swamp. In the swamp. We could really loop y'all around and see everything, but no. No.
Yeah, we looked at it.
Yeah, we seen everything, didn't it? Wait, but they tell you right here. Yeah, let me show y'all what all we seen. There's Daddy right there. I look at my daughter. It say the Alabama born. We didn't see that. We seen the fish. We seen the we seen the monkeys. We seen the predators. We seen the
reptile was closed, so it was.
Oh, it was closed. Yeah. Some of the
wild slide. Remember that little slide?
The slide closed, yeah. So we seen.
We see you trying that one. You so smart. You so smart.
Can't forget about my son, sexy son, sexy man.
We're gonna do it next time, okay?
Yeah, we got the baby, so we can't get on the train right now, okay? Woo! All right, y'all. So we seen everything. This is nice. This is nice. This is not like a waste of money or anything. This zoo is really worth it. No, don't touch him. Your hands dirty. Here comes the train. Wait. Come on, go ahead across so we can see the train. Move, don't touch it. Hold on. Let me show y'all how big. Hey y'all, so I'm at Target waiting on my order. Oh, here she come. I ordered a new memory card because when I was at the zoo, it just it stopped recording because I didn't have enough space. But here's my memory card walking to me now. Hey y'all, so this video is gonna be mashed in with the zoo vlog because I know I didn't end it because I didn't have enough space. So yeah, right now I'm heading home, and yeah, I'll talk to y'all when I get home. So y'all, look at the cornbread I made last night. This is my second time making cornbread. It was good. As you can see, there's only one slice missing because I gave it to my husband. The first time I made it, it was thin. This time I put 2 boxes of Jiffy in it. And the only reason why this part look like that is because it's sticking to this aluminum foil. And this is chicken from last night. Y'all, I cooked this at 4 a.m. in the morning. And this was for my husband. I had ate salmon for the first time. It was good. Salmon is my Alfredo I cooked. It was good. And he gonna eat this tonight. So I done bought me a ring light. This is my first time having a ring light. It came with this, that, and that box. I mean that bag it goes in, and with like a thing for your phone. Hey y'all, so I'm about to show y'all my braids, my hair. Get my hair so pretty, y'all. I love this on me. I'm about to show y'all my stomach. Look at my stomach. I'm hungry too, y'all. I'll show y'all my stomach. So yeah, y'all, that's my stomach or whatever. Let me cut this light off in here. So yeah, I just thank God, like, I'm not insecure about my body. Like, I had 2 C-sections and shit like that, and I got a personal trainer now. I found him from like Jayla Corian. I always click on people links most of the time, like, I mean, when they be tagging folks. And we was gonna do like virtual, but my baby was teething at the time, so I was like, oh, I can't do that. He's out of town, of course, and I'm like, well, I can only go up there on weekends or like special days. So like, I was like, just send me a list. But anyway, I'm about to show y'all my nails. Oh, and my hair, y'all, I be wanting a new hairstyle like every 2 weeks. Like every 2 weeks. I hate when my head be itching. Like, I be wanting to take my hair down. But tomorrow will be a week with this. It still look good. I just didn't do my edges because I'm not going nowhere or whatever. Now, I washed the edge stuff she had on my edges off because it was a little hard. So yeah, I be wanting to get my hair done every 2 weeks. Like, literally, I be taking my hair down in about 2 weeks. And my nails, like, I told y'all I was doing nails. Like, I'm a beginner, and I be wanting to do my nails every week. Like, and I hate when my nails be feeling like they loose or some shit. Automatic take off. Automatic take off, y'all. I did my cousin nails, and 2 of her nails came off. She went to a regular nail salon, and they said I did really good for my first time. She was my, well, I did my 2 little sisters and her, and her nails lasted 4 weeks. Besides the 2 that came off, she went to go get them done, but overall they lasted for like 4 weeks. Not even gonna fucking bullshit you. But look, look at my nails, y'all. Hold on. I did the 90s inspired nails, and look, I'm really like trying to focus on my cuticle area. The lifting, it's kind of like lifting. Ooh, this camera get on my fucking nerves. Y'all see that at the end? Y'all see that kind of lifting? Oh, let me finish showing y'all the nails. This hand, I did good. Then I drew this stuff on with the little nail art brushes. These nails are hella long. I love that little noise, y'all. I'm so silly. Yeah, but y'all know what's funny? I'm working out. I don't have no type of like diet, so I work out and still eat what the fuck I want to eat. I'm just really cutting off like drinks. I'm hungry as fuck. So my god, my hair and my nails so pretty. So I'm about to go ahead and work out. Damn it, it's something I'm about to tell y'all, but I forgot. Fuck it, I'm about to work out, y'all. So watch me work out, and I need to grab me a bottle of water. Go grab me a bottle of water right quick. Ugh. Y'all, I got a lot of fucking stuff in my pantry, and actually my husband just cleaned the pantry out. Like I had like hella shit, and I heard like a lot of people don't like the Sunny water, but it's water, like whatever. But yeah, watch me work out, cause y'all be tripping. I think this how I do this one. Hold on. I just got done doing push-ups, and that's like one of the hardest things to do. You know, not that it's hard, you know, it's like hard to like never work out on an empty stomach, and I'm hungry right now. So I'm gonna probably feel weak. Hopefully I can get through this. Okay, let me set my time. Okay, that's this one. Oh, it just hit. So I gotta do 5 sets of these that I just did. I'm gonna come back when I do my do a different set. And I'm doing it the way they do it best as I can. I think I'm doing really good. So I'll be back with my next set, y'all. Oh yeah. That damn it, I can't pause. Can I pause it? Yeah, I can pause it. Nothing helps. I need my mat, cause my feet be sliding, so I can't do the fucking workout right. While it's off, while it's on pause, I'm gonna go ahead and do a couple of more, cause that was kind of cheap. Anyway. Okay. Oh, oh, woo. Yeah, I hate that fucking alarm. But that was the other one. Hold on. I'm gonna have to finish this off camera. Y'all, this workout shit is crazy. I see why bitches just go ahead and get the fucking surgery. But I don't think I'm gonna do that. Even though I had 2 C-sections, but I ain't gonna do that shit. Hell no. No, it's just like getting another C-section. Probably worse, but the last clip, I'm gonna still insert this in because this is my 4th day. I got a long way to go. A lot of people probably don't show y'all everything. They probably just show y'all the good, but I'm just now beginning. And look at this. This fucking stomach got to go. And I always had naturally saggy boobs. I breastfed twice, so it made it worse. Like my breasts don't even, it just do what the fuck it want to do nowadays. So fuck it, y'all. I've been on here for like a minute, and I have a 15-second rest. So let me get back to what the fuck. Oh, and I'm not rushing, because you need to listen to your body. Do what your body can handle. Just because it said 15-second rest, I'm not doing it. If I feel like my body need more time, I'm gonna take more time. I am doing better though, so ooh, Yeah, let me go ahead and finish this. I be trying to run through these hoes because I need to go cook. I need to eat. So I'll be back. You guys, oof, I do way better when I eat. Never work out on an empty stomach. What I ate. Then I didn't even, oh my God, I didn't even eat nothing big today. That's why. But it's okay. Because I'm cooking in a minute. So, yeah, I know y'all like, girl, I'm hungry. Let me show y'all. So I got done. I did the push-ups. What else I did? I did the little thing y'all seen me do on the sofa, and I just did the other little thing. And the other one I gotta hold it. Hold it. Like, instead of going down, I have to hold it. So that's next. I kind of like doing that better because oh my God, look at my arms. They bruised. I need to get my mats. I got 2 workout mats. Don't know where they at. I think they're in my car, my trunk. What else can I show y'all? Oh, my hair. So, what a headache. I just got a fucking headache. So this is my hair right now with my nails that I did. Ooh, so sexy. And then here is my hair for the braids that I had just took down before this. The same person did them. Oh my God, y'all, my head itching. I'm so pretty. Sorry, it's my husband. And he got my nails that I did right now, the 90s inspired. And that's without the little edit or whatever. And then he got my nails, the first set I did on myself. Follow me on Instagram. Alexsis_Holley. It's my first set. And this how my cousin nails kind of look. She wanted hers like mine, but I think she had more ombre, I think. And then here go the second set. I love encapsulating stuff. Ooh, I can't wait to take a bath, y'all. Here go with no edit. I mean, not no edit, but no, well, it got shiny. This no filter. Same thing. Don't play with me. See what I'm saying about my head itching, y'all? I do not like this. I don't. Like, it only been in for tomorrow will be a week, and I'm already ready to take this down. Like, nothing wrong with it. I just don't like being itchy. I don't like being irritated. And why the fuck my camera look yellow now? Probably because I had it on my yeah, I'm so ready to take a bath and eat. I might say fuck this workout day. But nah, for real, I'm trying to get through it. I don't even know what the fuck I was just saying. Text my husband back. I'll see y'all when I get done with all this bullshit, because I don't want the vlog to be boring or whatever. But yeah, y'all, guess what? My package here. I've been waiting on this package all day. I've been tracking the UPS man. Like, this, the tracking little thing is accurate but not accurate. Like, when he pulled up, I was like, okay, come on, come on, come on. So it took him like 3 minutes to get up here. He gonna knock on the door. I'm like, who is it? You know, acting like I don't know who it is. And I said it again. So I opened the door. He in front of like the people house in front of me. So I'm like, so you just gonna leave this package here? It's supposed to be signature signed anyway. But I'm gonna show y'all what it is when I get out the shower. Hey you guys, so I got the new MacBook Pro and I got the USB-C adapter for the laptop. Unfortunately, the latest models do not come with the SD slot, so you have to buy something on the side, you know, like always. You know, Apple always got something up their damn sleeve. So with that being said, I will be able to edit and upload videos. Also, it's June 8th. With that being said, you guys will be seeing a lot of my 2020 videos. I'm just gonna let you know, but you won't know until June 8th because, well, you probably won't know until like July. Yeah. So, because before my laptop fucked up on me, I was editing 18 videos. I was not gonna upload them all at the same time. I had 18 videos ready to go, and that shit just blacked out. It was done for. So with that being said, I know I fucked up like 1 or 2 of my SD cards. Hopefully I can bring them bitches back to life and y'all can see everything. It was, you know, stuff dealing with my pregnancy and everything. So yeah, so let me go ahead and open this laptop, y'all. Hey y'all, so I'm trying to do a little unboxing for y'all. I forgot when they said that when you open the laptop it automatically come on, so that's what it did. I forgot that I had the Pro and it comes with this. I also forgot that it was Touch ID as well. This little part right here is bigger than my old laptop. So yeah, and it's thicker of course because it's the Pro, and it comes with this, I guess the little stickers. Okay, you want to help? Oh, this is a big block. Ouch, why you scratch me? And this. So that's all it comes with, you guys, and you have to buy a side USB C for your SD card. So yeah. She got this little Barbie bike, and she got this Power Wheel. Egypt.
Make sure you said 130 pounds.
Yeah, 130 something.
That's good.
Yeah. Oh wait, did you get your helmet? Oh, let me see.
That's good. That's good.